Hello friends, in the last video I have showed you how to make your pendrive bootable for Windows. After making it bootable, I have faced a problem with it. Today I am here to share this problem with the solution. Here you can see that my pendrive has been divided into two partitions. Let me check it. Size is okay, but there is another partition. Let me do a format and see what happened. Format is completed, but the partition is still remains. Let me do the same to the other partition. Rename the volume level. You can see that it has formatted successfully, but it still shows two partitions. Let me remove my pen drive and see what happened. Now pen drive has been ejected. Now I am removing the pen drive and inserting it again. Still now it shows two partitions. Don't worry, here is the solution. Search for diskpart. Click open. Write list disk and press enter. Here disk 1 is my pen drive and disk 0 is the hard disk. Now you have to select the right disk that shows your pen drive. Select disk 1. As disk 1 is my pen drive, I have selected disk 1. You have to be very careful in this step, otherwise there will be a possibility that by mistake you have formatted your hard disk. Select the right disk that comes with your pen drive. Now press enter. Write clean and press enter. Okay. Now your pen drive has been formatted into one single partition. Here you see that there is no pen drive partitions. Don't worry. Search for disk. Click here. Here you can see the disk of my pen drive is unallocated. Right click on it and follow my procedures. Wait for some time until it completes its task. Okay. Now check the partition. We have successfully formatted pen drive into one partition. So friends, this was the simple solution to this problem. Hope you will like the video. Thank you for staying with us. Have a good day.